Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Spray Arm. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the spray arm. The spray arm helps clean the dishes on the lower dish rack. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's clogged or damaged and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, you can pull the lower rack out. Once you have it out, you can lift it off and set it aside. Now we can reach in and unscrew the spray arm. It's just screwed into the base. You can try it first to see if you can unscrew it. If you can, just go ahead and unscrew it. If it's in there pretty tight, you may have to use a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and just stick it between the opening right here and then break it free. Once you have it broke free, you can just unscrew it the rest of the way. Once you have it unscrewed, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old spray arm next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new spray arm in, all you have to do is lower it down into the tub. And we can screw it in. Once you have it snug, you can reach down and spin it and get it nice and tight so you get a good seal. Once you have it tight, we can put the lower rack back in. To put it in, all you have to do is set it on the door and push it all the way in. Once you have it in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.